Australian Shepherd puppies will usually stop biting around 10 months of age if they have been trained not to bite up until this point, but there are several factors that may extend this time longer. Biting and nipping is a normal phase of a puppy's life for every breed as their teeth grow from their milk teeth to adult teeth. At this time, the biting and nipping are related to their adult teeth coming in and the pain and discomfort that comes with it. This is usually a temporary phase but should be redirected. It can be done by offering the Australian Shepherd puppy a teething toy that is designed to relieve their pain and discomfort while giving them something to do and distract them. Before I move on with the video, do you want to train your dog for any basic commands like sit and stay? Do you want to stop any of the behavioral problems of your dog like pooping inside the house, biting, jumping, or barking? If your answer is yes, please grab the free Dog Training Secrets Guide in which I have disclosed the deepest dog training secrets that would help you have a well-behaved, smart and obedient dog without spending hours in training him or her. This secret training technique cheat sheet is available for free only for a limited time from the link in the description box below. When do Australian Shepherd puppies stop biting and how can I stop it? Biting or nipping for an Australian Shepherd is a breed characteristic related to what they were bred to do, herd livestock. When an Australian Shepherd herd livestock, it is typical for them to bite or nip to get the livestock to move and go where they want them. This habit can be ingrained in them from birth, and during the puppy phase, it can be normal due to teething, but if not properly addressed early on, training can become a problem when their instincts kick in as an adult. Training also can help with other behaviors that can also cause an Australian Shepherd to bite, such as guarding instincts and emotions. This is why when your Australian Shepherd bites and nips as a puppy, they should be instructed that there is no biting. Australian Shepherds are a working, herding dog that, like puppies, can suffer the same issues other breeds of puppies do, teething and nipping or biting due to this issue. Biting for a puppy of any breed happens as part of a normal growth process related to their teeth. When the Australian Shepherd is a puppy, they will have their milk or baby teeth to start, and eventually, these teeth will transition to adult teeth. During this transition phase, where the milk baby teeth fall out, and the adult teeth come in, puppies of any breed will suffer from pain and discomfort. This pain and discomfort can cause puppies to nip and bite anything and everything in sight to provide comfort and relief. Even though this behavior can be expected for a puppy, it is essential to teach them that there is no biting in a matter-of-fact manner. There is no reason for harshness as they are too young to comprehend fully, but repetitive reminding can go a long way to teaching them what is allowed and expected. At the same time, pet parents need to provide their puppies with teething toys that can provide relief and comfort at this difficult time and a much-needed distraction from their troubles. It may seem like a lot to deal with, but keep in mind that you're raising a baby animal. They are going through a lot of changes, so be patient and supportive. Training can begin early on with gentle but consistent reminders of the house rules related to chewing, biting, or nipping anything other than teething and chew toys. Once the puppy is older and more mature, formal training can help them learn what is allowed and not, which may go against their breed background and instincts as a herding dog breed. When do I know if my Australian Shepherd has a biting problem? If your Australian Shepherd puppy doesn't stop biting around 10 months of age, it does not necessarily mean they have a biting problem. Not all puppies and dogs develop at the same time. Some dogs might develop in this area sooner than 10 months, and some will develop later. Each dog is unique regardless of its breed and will develop according to its unique nature. The 10-month time frame is just that, a time frame and guide. Not all dogs will fit in that category. Suppose your puppy grows into adulthood and continues to struggle with biting or nipping issues despite reminders and training, whether formal or from their pet parent. In that case, it can be helpful to consult a professional trainer or veterinarian. How do I stop my Australian Shepherd from biting? There are many ways to stop your Australian Shepherd puppy from biting. Some work better than others, some are less effective. As a pet parent, finding what works for you and our unique dog is essential. The first method has you playing with your Australian Shepherd puppy until they begin to bite hard and hurt. At that time, letting a cry of the pain out will likely surprise the puppy, and perhaps they will come over and lick the body part in apology. At this time, return to what you were doing with the puppy. This can be repeated a few times, and if it appears not to do much of anything, then a timeout method can be tried, which is similar to a timeout method for a child. Each time the puppy bites, they can be told in a matter-of-fact tone, "No bite," and then placed in their crate or another area for a timeout. This can be repeated as often as necessary for them to get the idea. It should be noted that there are various ways to accomplish this training, and pet parents may have to experiment to find what works best. Knowing when a puppy will stop biting regardless of its breed can bring comfort to pet parents who want relief from the complex challenges of puppyhood. Thankfully, the Australian Shepherd usually outgrows this puppy habit around 10 months of age once they have gotten their adult teeth in. When this happens, this breed can sometimes continue to suffer issues of biting, which is instinctual but can be remedied with training and positive reinforcement and bring out their best behavior. At the end of the day, good behavior is all that matters. Do you want to have a well-behaved, obedient and calm pet dog without spending hours in training him? Check out the first link in the description and download the Secret Training Technique guide absolutely free. It is available for free only for a limited period of time. Thanks for watching the video. Comment below if you liked the video. Please subscribe to the channel, Little Paws Training, if you are serious about training and grooming your dog. Also, join our Facebook group where you get all the solutions to your daily doggy problems.